Diesel and gasoline engines may look similar, but their operation differs significantly. Diesel engines use compression ignition, meaning air is compressed to high pressures and fuel is injected, igniting from heat alone. Gasoline engines rely on spark plugs for ignition. Diesel engines are typically more fuel efficient due to higher compression ratios and energy-dense fuel, making them ideal for heavy-duty vehicles. Gasoline engines, however, are lighter and rev higher, often delivering more horsepower for their size, which appeals to performance-oriented drivers.